Hi friends, welcome back to Wanderlust channel. Today, we are diving into the serene and refreshing experience of nature walks in Goa. First, we'll explore the magical Mystic Woods, a sacred grove that offers a tranquil escape into nature's embrace. Then, we'll take a peaceful morning walk through the beautiful Treebo Trend Rock Valley, a place surrounded by lush greenery and filled with unique activities. So, let's lace up those walking shoes and get started. We are now at Mystic Woods in Ponda, Goa. This beautiful spot is a haven for butterfly observation, although we visited during the off-season and saw only a few. Mystic Woods is a sacred grove teeming with diverse plant species, including medicinal ones, as well as various birds, butterflies, and small wildlife. The grove, transformed over 15 years into a lush green forest by Mr. Yashodhan Heblekar and Dr. Jyoti, is now a butterfly paradise. It features tranquil walking trails, a small waterfall, a fish pond where you can enjoy a relaxing foot spa, and a display of stones and fossils. Walking through the grove, you'll also encounter orchids, ferns, and spice plantations. It's not only a green retreat but also an educational experience, with guides available to explain the local ecosystem. With an entry fee of 200 rupees per person, Mystic Woods offers a peaceful escape into nature. Another fascinating feature here is the Terrace Garden at the home of Mr. Yashodhan Heblekar. This terrace has been transformed into a vibrant mini forest filled with a diverse range of plants. It's an inspiring example of sustainable living and innovative gardening. The greenery on the terrace not only adds to the charm of Mystic Woods but also supports the ecosystem by attracting butterflies and other small wildlife. We are at Treebo Trend Rock Valley. We stayed here last night, and this morning, we decided to join their morning nature walk, a perfect way to start the day. This hotel is located in Ponda, Goa, and is surrounded by lush greenery, creating a peaceful and refreshing atmosphere. In the early morning, the area is often enveloped in mist, adding to its magical charm. During the nature walk, we explored a fascinating space featuring sculptures and carvings inspired by different zodiac signs. It's a unique touch that makes the walk even more enjoyable. We also tried spotting small birds and animals along the trail. At certain points, we could catch a stunning view of the Mahadayi River flowing below, a serene sight that truly complements the walk. The premises include an adventure zone where you can try activities like ziplining, trampolining, and other adventure activities which are perfect for adrenaline enthusiasts and families alike. We had planned to explore one of the famous Spice Plantation tours in Ponda. It's a great package that includes lunch and takes a few hours to complete. However, since it takes a few hours to complete, we decided to skip it this time. If you have the time, it's definitely worth considering. We hope you enjoyed exploring the nature walks with us today. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Wanderlust channel for more exciting travel content. We'd love to hear your feedback and suggestions in the comments below. Looking forward to seeing you in the next adventure. Until then, take care and bye-bye.